Large amount of ice cream made in factory. In the bustling world of ice cream production, factories play a central role in crafting the delightful frozen treat enjoyed by millions worldwide. These facilities are equipped to handle the intricacies of large-scale production, from sourcing quality ingredients to meticulously orchestrating the blending, pasteurization, and freezing processes. The result is the symphony of flavors and textures that defines the art of ice cream making. 1. Ingredients. Ice cream is a delightful frozen dessert crafted from a harmonious blend of key ingredients, each contributing to its rich, creamy, and indulgent texture. At its core, ice cream comprises dairy components, typically milk and cream, providing the foundational base for its luxurious mouthfeel. The dairy ingredients are chosen for their fat content, playing a crucial role in achieving the smooth consistency that defines quality ice cream. Sugar is then added, not only for sweetness but also to lower the freezing point of the mix, preventing the formation of ice crystals and ensuring a soft, scoopable texture. Flavor is infused through various means with natural or artificial extracts, essences, or real ingredients like vanilla beans, cocoa, or fruit purees. The balance of these flavor elements is an art, creating a spectrum that ranges from classic vanilla to exotic fruit medleys or decadent chocolate variations. Emulsifiers and stabilizers, such as egg yolks or commercial stabilizing agents, are often included to enhance texture, improve creaminess, and extend shelf life. Innovations in the industry have led to the incorporation of diverse ingredients too. Mixing. The mixing stage in the preparation of ice cream is a pivotal step that transforms a simple combination of ingredients into the creamy and delectable frozen dessert loved worldwide. Once the carefully measured and selected ingredients, including milk, cream, sugar, and flavorings, are gathered, they undergo a meticulous blending process. Large mixing tanks, equipped to handle substantial quantities, become the canvas where these components come together. The purpose of this mixing is twofold: achieving a uniform distribution of ingredients and initiating the homogenization process. As the ingredients amalgamate, the fats from the milk and cream intertwine with the sugars and flavorings. This initial union sets the stage for the development of a smooth and consistent texture in the final product. The mixing process is not merely mechanical, it involves an artful orchestration of time and temperature. The duration of mixing, along with the controlled application of heat, ensures that the mixture attains the desired homogeneity while preserving the integrity of each component. This harmonious blend is a precursor to subsequent steps in ice cream production, such as pasteurization and aging. 3. Pasteurization. Pasteurization is a crucial step in the preparation of ice cream, ensuring not only the safety of the final product but also contributing to its texture and shelf life. After the initial mixing of ingredients, the ice cream base undergoes pasteurization, a heat treatment process designed to eliminate harmful bacteria and enzymes that could compromise the quality and safety of the dessert. During pasteurization, the ice cream mix is heated to a specific temperature, typically between 145 degrees Fahrenheit and 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius to 74 degrees Celsius, and maintained at that temperature for a set period. This heat treatment is sufficient to destroy pathogens while also deactivating enzymes that could lead to undesirable changes in flavor and texture over time. The pasteurization process is carefully monitored to strike a balance between ensuring food safety and preserving the sensory qualities of the ice cream. Once pasteurized, the mix is rapidly cooled to halt the cooking process. This step not only enhances the safety of the product but also contributes to the development of a smoother texture by preventing the formation of ice crystals during freezing. By prioritizing food safety through pasteurization, ice cream manufacturers can confidently produce a product that meets regulatory standards while delivering a delicious and creamy frozen treat to consumers. 4. Homogenization. Homogenization is a critical process in ice cream preparation that plays a key role in achieving the desired smooth and creamy texture. After the initial mixing of ingredients, the ice cream base undergoes homogenization, a mechanical process that breaks down fat globules into smaller, uniform particles. This step is crucial for ensuring a consistent distribution of fats throughout the mixture, preventing the formation of large ice crystals and contributing to the overall velvety mouthfeel of the final product. By reducing the size of fat particles, homogenization enhances the stability of the ice cream emulsion, resulting in a more uniform, enjoyable texture for consumers. 5. Aging. Aging in ice cream preparation is a crucial step that involves allowing the mixed ingredients to rest before freezing. After the initial blending, the ice cream base is left to age, typically for several hours or even overnight. This resting period allows the flavors to meld and intensify, contributing to a more robust taste. Additionally, aging facilitates the stabilization of the ice cream mixture, promoting a smoother texture by allowing any air introduced during mixing to escape. The process is integral in ensuring that the final product achieves optimal flavor balance and texture, providing consumers with a delightful and consistent ice cream experience. 6. Freezing. Freezing is a pivotal stage in ice cream preparation where the aged mixture transforms into the delightful frozen treat enjoyed by many. After the ingredients have been meticulously mixed and allowed to age, the ice cream base undergoes freezing. This step involves placing the mixture into specialist ice cream machines that freeze it while simultaneously incorporating air, a process known as overrun. The rapid freezing and aeration contribute to the formation of a smooth and creamy texture, preventing the development of ice crystals. The temperature and timing during freezing are carefully controlled to ensure the desired consistency and structure. 7. Flavor addition. Flavor addition is a pivotal stage in ice cream preparation, infusing the frozen treat with its distinctive taste. After the base mixture is homogenized and pasteurized, flavors are introduced to create the desired profile. This can involve incorporating natural or artificial extracts, essences, or real ingredients such as vanilla, cocoa, or fruit purees. The balance and quality of these flavorings contribute to the overall richness of the ice cream. Inclusions like nuts, chocolate chips, or swirls of caramel may also be added during this phase, enhancing the sensory experience. The meticulous attention to flavor addition ensures that the final product delights the palate with a harmonious and delicious taste, making each scoop a delightful indulgence. 8. Packaging. Packaging is a critical phase in the ice cream production process, marking the transition from creation to consumer enjoyment. Once the ice cream has undergone mixing, pasteurization, aging, and freezing, it is ready for packaging. This step involves carefully transferring the frozen dessert into containers, tubs, cones, or other suitable packaging formats. The choice of packaging not only influences the product's presentation, but also plays a vital role in preserving its quality. Containers must be designed to withstand freezing temperatures, preventing freezer burn and maintaining the ice cream's texture and flavor. Additionally, effective packaging protects against external contaminants and ensures portion control. The final neatly packaged ice cream products are then ready for distribution, making their way to supermarkets, ice cream shops, and households, where consumers eagerly anticipate the moment they can indulge in the sweet and creamy delight within. 9. Hardening. Hardening is the concluding step in ice cream preparation where the freshly frozen product undergoes a final chilling process to attain its desired firmness. After the initial freezing in ice cream machines, some products may proceed to a blast freezer for additional hardening. This rapid chilling helps solidify the ice cream, creating a texture that is easy to scoop and maintains its shape during storage and serving. Hardening ensures that the ice cream reaches its optimal consistency before being distributed to consumers. This phase is critical for delivering a product that not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also provides a satisfying and smooth texture, enhancing the overall ice cream experience. 10. Storage and distribution. Storage and distribution represent the final logistical steps in the ice cream production process, ensuring that the frozen treat reaches consumers in optimal condition. After packaging and hardening, ice cream is carefully stored in commercial freezers to maintain its freshness and prevent thawing. Once stored, the products are efficiently distributed to various retail outlets, supermarkets, and ice cream shops. Cold chain logistics are crucial during this phase, with temperature-controlled transportation to preserve the product's quality. Proper storage and distribution play a key role in delivering a delightful and consistent ice cream experience to customers, allowing them to enjoy the frozen treat at its best with the perfect texture and flavor. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.